This is McKay throwing water. Not on me.
Bye, people.
And this is Thomas. Say hi, Thomas.
Hi.
What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Oh, cool. So, what are we going to do today, guys? We're going to see Mommy and the baby.
Mommy and the baby.
Yeah. Are you
in the
excited?
hospital. Whoa. There's the frog.
That's the frog.
Do the video. Do the video.
It is. But where's the frog? I can't see.
I see it.
You see it? You're
I
going to try to
kind of.
catch it?
I kind of see it.
Oh my gosh, it's the frog, Thomas.
Is it still on video?
Yes.
I just spotted a frog. We're getting captured. Oh, I see another one. There it is.
Do you see?
Oh,
No, you can't. Thomas, you can't go. He's gonna go and get the frog.
could get that frog?
Yeah, he's gonna get the frog. Oh! Ew! It went down the rock.
Under the rock?
Yes, almost. Okay, say bye.
I look up the frog.
Yeah, say bye, Thomas.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, did you get the part